Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I am back. I am back with another video for my empty box series. And these are just kind of quick, easy, and simple layouts to use up some of my stash that I accumulated over a couple of years from kid clubs. And yeah, I'm enjoying doing this. Of course, I do have to reach into my stash for papers usually. These are 6x6 pads that I've had in my stash forever. So it's just a good way to, use up what you have. And so I try to bring a variety of content to you, whether it be, stash busting or the cheeky kit club shares or the layouts that I've made for each one of my series or design teamwork, just a variety of videos for you. So these videos have been going very quickly and I do have a bit of a coffer of these built up. So hopefully I can bring them to you on a regular basis for a while. My goal is to get through them or to get through this box by March, and I'm pretty much ahead of the goal. So we shall see. I'm also working on creating another channel. I've already got the name, but it will be food related. I don't know if I've mentioned this before on my channel. I know I have on Instagram and things like that, but I've recently begun a journey for being vegan, and so I'm gonna try and build up some content and bring that to you as well. I do have cheeky vegan noms on Instagram if you want to see my humble beginnings over there. And so I am going to work on a YouTube channel as well. And that'll bring recipes and mukbangs and just some what I ate in a day type videos. But for now, I am bringing you scrapbook content. And you'd probably like to know what this picture is. It is a picture of Bab's Uncle Chris and Aunt Sue, and this is when we were in we weren't in San Francisco there. We were in that small town called Pescadero, and it's in California. And so this was a trip that we took in April and saw several different places in California. We started out in San Fran because that's Bab's headquarters, I guess. Well, sort of. It's the small company that got acquired by the big company's headquarters. Silicon Valley kind of stuff. So he was there for additional training or something. And I flew out to meet him, and then we spent a few days just visiting his family and, doing a little sightseeing. And this was a restaurant that we went to and a little marketplace, and we just had a lovely time. It was very quaint, and I've done a few videos on the food that we ate there, and I've got a couple more videos for this particular town. But like I said, I dug into some of my old kits, and some of it is branding strips from paper, some of it is that Jen Hadfield homemade collection that I had received as far as ephemera goes. The best day, I believe, is Maggie Holmes, and that little label on the mid left says it's a beautiful morning. And even though what do I want to say? The sign, I want to call it something else. The sign on the sidewalk says winery tasting room. It was a little early in the day for that because we were there for kind of a brunch. And so I just thought it was a really cool sign, and I wanted to remember it in case we ever went back. And it just had some cute sayings on it. Plus it kind of captured, Uncle Chris and Aunt Sue, who are sweethearts, and I really, really like them. So I'm playing around with YouTube right now and trying to figure out how to add some end screens and annotations and cards and things of that nature. So if you stay tuned towards the end of this video and you want to subscribe, there's an easy link to that. There should be another video that you can hop over to that might be of interest to you as well. And so I'm trying to learn how to do those types of things. So bear with me. I will get better at it. Right now my plate is very, very full in life, and I am just waking up at the crack of dawn and just working all day long. So kit clubs, the Cheeky Studio Kit Club has been growing, and I would love to have you there. There is information on the Facebook group at the end, things of that nature. Other ways to find me. I'm going to start making playlists as well, so you can just hop to the Empty Box series or just hop to the, design team series, things of that nature. So things are in the works. We are trying to revamp and renovate a little bit and add so that I can bring you better content on a regular basis. I also am trying to collect some questions from you all. So if you have questions about Bab or me, my life in general, the Dallas area, what my kids are up to, college, things like that, leave your question in the comments below. I'm going to start a Q&A about once a month, and I'm looking forward to answering any questions you have. So please give me a thumbs up and check out the next video that you will see at the top of the screen. I'll talk to you later. Ta-ta for now.